Farro salad with roasted vegetables. Looking for a salad that's hearty, nutritious, and bursting with flavor? This farro salad with roasted vegetables is a game changer. Perfect as a satisfying main course or a delicious side, this dish combines the nutty richness of farro with the deep, caramelized flavors of roasted vegetables. It's healthy, easy to make, and packed with texture. Ingredients: serves for 1 cup farro, 2 cups water or vegetable broth, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 zucchini, sliced, 1 small eggplant, cubed, 1 red onion, sliced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled, optional, 1/4 cup toasted pine nuts, 1/4 cup fresh basil, chopped, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, juice of 1 lemon. Instructions: cook the farro, rinse the farro under cold water. In a medium pot, bring the water or vegetable broth to a boil. Add the farro, reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 25 minutes until tender but still chewy. Drain and set aside. Roast the vegetables, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. On a baking sheet, toss the bell pepper, zucchini, eggplant, red onion, and cherry tomatoes with olive oil, salt, black pepper, oregano, and garlic powder. Spread evenly and roast for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and tender. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine the cooked farro and roasted vegetables. Add the feta cheese, pine nuts, and basil. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar and lemon juice. Toss everything together until well combined. Serve and enjoy. Let the flavors meld for a few minutes before serving. This salad is perfect warm or at room temperature, making it great for meal prep or entertaining guests. Looking for a delicious way to add more whole grains to your diet? This farro salad with roasted vegetables is nutritious, flavorful, and simple to prepare. What's your favorite ingredient to add to a grain salad?